Welcome to One-Shot.
This 2016 season we have been busy installing a high number of One-Shot dispensers internationally. And we are about to break some of our European sales export records. Frozen dessert manufacturing of filled One-Shot containers has dramatically risen. Robotic lines are becoming flat out with increased production. And this is our wow year. This is a success story from Pressy Cap. Pressy Cap supplies a range of frozen desserts for the One-Shot dispensing system in Germany. Pressy Cap can be reached at www.pressycap.de. There is a One-Shot Model OS8 machine installation at UIlrich-Pittroff-Catering in Stuttgart, Germany. We are very excited by this success story, and more One-Shot installation success stories are about to follow. No matter where you are, if you happen to see a One-Shot dispenser, just drop us an email at info@one-shot.com with a picture or two. And please tell us more about the location. Please join our One-Shot Facebook page for exciting news updates. Please also join us on Twitter as we spread the word that One-Shot has arrived. My name is Gary McGill, and I am the Director of Global Marketing here at One-Shot. Check out our website at www.one-shot.com for more information.